Welcome back. It is moist, gloomy, cold, windy morning. But let's see. The paint is dry. Ow. So, as you just saw, the paint is dry. That thing just freaking smacked me in the back of the neck as I was checking there. And it is extremely windy, so this door is going all over the place. Yeah, that's a nice start to the morning. Feels great to be hit by a plank of freaking wood. Or not wood, fake wood, plastic wood. I'm gonna get this top part cleaned up with some rubbing alcohol. I'll try to clean up as much of that grease and crap as I can. I'll clean whatever dirt and stuff off of that as well. And I'll get that glued up, and I'll get the bottom piece glued up, and I'll shut the door and let the pressure, get it all sealed on. And then I'm gonna start working on gluing the foam board down to the floor, and then I can start laying laminate after that. I got both of those glued in with the Loctite power grab. Hopefully that works well. I'll end up siliconing all the edges afterwards. So that's just to get it, glued on, and I will glue these on too, but I want to wait until those are glued on so then I can open and close the door. And I still need to finish cutting the hole for the deadbolt, so I want the door to be in its final resting position, and me being able to open and close it so I can position these properly and give them enough space for the gasket material, wherever that is over there. But for now, I'm gonna pull up these foam boards back here. I need to trace out where the shower is going to be so that this piece doesn't get glued down yet, and I won't finish the flooring in that area yet because there's going to be a shower there. So I'm going to measure that out and give myself a pretty good cutout area for that, maybe a little extra. This gap that I screwed up yesterday will get filled in with expanding foam, so it'll be fine, and I'll tape over it. But yeah, and I still have to cut out that little area minus that corner because again, that's going to be a part of the shower area. So it's really just this area. I got the shower area cut out roughly. I don't really know exactly how big, the wall or the framing on the shower frame is going to be. So this is just a rough estimate of where it's going to be. And obviously I can cut that board and reinstall pieces that don't actually need to be out, and that'll all end up getting put back in place. I just don't want to glue it down yet and then have to move it for whatever reason. So I'm gonna start gluing this one down, I'll glue this one down, and then I'll move the cabinets over top. I need to go grab the tape and tape these together after I glue them so nothing shifts around. But yeah, we're gonna start getting this flooring attached. I got those first two pieces glued down. I got the aluminum foil tape across. I moved those first two cabinets over. So yeah, I'm gonna work on the next pieces and move this over, yada yada yada. You'll see in a time lapse. attempting the vinyl again. I've gotten it further than I was before. I patched up that front area. It looks like shit because I did it like shit. That's why we're gonna really film it. I resorted to using a saw because I'm a broke bitch and I can't afford a fucking square. Well, it's not that I can't afford one, it's that I'm not gonna waste my money buying one, so I didn't even attempt. I just grabbed a fucking saw. I'm gonna make a mess. This stuff sucks to install by yourself. That's probably why I don't remember it being that hard. It's because I didn't do it by myself the last time I did it. But it's going. It's probably gonna come out like shit, but I'm doing it. I'm gonna keep going and keep making a mess with the saw in here because it's snowing outside and my shoes are outside collecting snow because the ground is muddy and I don't want to put mud all over the foam. So here's where we're at. All right, half the bus pretty much is covered with the flooring. I gotta grab some more boxes out of the garage and get them in here and finish it off. I didn't go, since I haven't put the foam all the way in the back, I'm not, flooring all the way up to the back, nor will it really matter because I'll need some kind of transition and there will be stuff in that corner, shower in that corner, so it's not going to be really visible. It's really just this main walkway, which is, I would say, the most important part to get right. And yeah, it doesn't feel too squishy or anything. I'm sure it is in a couple spots just because of the unevenness that it's going on, but so far it looks pretty decent. That back edge is probably the worst one, that back row, because it started peeling up, so I tried to put the cabinets on it, but as you can see, it is not fully locked in, and there's a gap in this one. But I don't really care about those back pieces because, again, they're going to get covered up, so they're going to be pretty much out of sight, out of mind. If I had the special tools to work with laminate, then I could just, use a pullback thing and hook it around and, but I don't have one of those. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab some more laminate. We're gonna keep doing this and finish flooring. Well, the flooring is pretty much down for the main part. I did fuck this up royally at the end because this is so tight to the wall. I was trying to just sneak this one in here, and well, I tore up the fucking edge. But that's all gonna get hidden anyways. It's gonna get framed out for storage with the bed on top, so it doesn't even fucking matter. But yeah, this whole main portion is floored up. I only have like 3 more pieces left. So hopefully that's enough to do the stairs and entryway. I still do need one little piece to fill in there. Yeah, that's where we're at. My toes are fucking frozen right now because I'm barefoot in here and it's freezing outside. The wind is kicking, but and every time I open this door to fucking cut these, the sawdust is just blowing in my face and freezing my toes at the same time. But yeah, the flooring is down. Woohoo! That was so much fun. It does look like shit back there, but all the super shitty areas are gonna get covered up. This area came out pretty decent. It still needs to be trimmed up. I just notched it for this guy there. Yeah, I think the cabinets go well with it. I mean, I might still repaint the cabinets at some point, but I think they go with the flooring pretty well. Alright, I put the cabinets in place roughly. That gives the driver's seat enough room to go back if somebody taller were in here, but I'm probably going to be the only one driving it. It's enough room, I think, for the water tanks to go. This gap obviously wouldn't be here, but this is 32 inches from the wall to there. Obviously we have an extra couple inches there, so it's like 34. I think that's probably enough for me. I hope. We'll find out, I guess. Only time will tell, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna go take a break and make some food. And I'll see if I come back out to finish the steps or not. I don't really know if I'm gonna do that today. I got the insulation put down, I taped it. There's one plank there, I just cut it down in size, fits in. And then this is just a couple planks so that it, gives it some diversity. It was flipped around, I could flip it back around, but my hands are freaking freezing and I need to go inside because my fingertips are frozen. And if I keep staying out here, I'll probably get frostbite again, which I'm not trying to do. So yeah, that stuff's in place. That still needs to be secured down, but I need to put, stair edging on there to secure that and probably screw it down. But like I said, my hands are frozen, so I need to go inside. I think this is where I'm gonna end off for today. I got all this flooring done. I got the stairs pretty much done. I did put that transition in when I came back out. It is just too cold to work, and I don't feel like kicking on the heater just quite yet. It's like 27 according to the thermometer. But yeah, I just locked everything up, and I'm gonna call it a night here. I'm pretty beat anyways. But I'd say the flooring came out pretty decent. Not bad for how long it's been since I've done it before. I do have this little section to do. I only have one more plank left, which like 1 or 1.5, and some scrap pieces. So we'll see if I can get this puzzled together somehow with the wood floor or the vinyl. But otherwise, I'm not too worried about it. And yeah, all my crap has been backed up into this corner. So we're gonna get it cleaned out tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be a little warmer. I haven't looked at the weather yet. Otherwise, we'll get the heater in here, and maybe we'll start spending a couple nights in here after we get more of the styrofoam out and wall insulation in. And I think we'll discuss what the plans are and go over the budget soon. Thanks for watching.